Hey guys, I thought I would quickly show you how to operate the mirrors on a 2017 Toyota Tundra or any of these other late models. So let me quickly show you how. All right, if you look down just left of the steering wheel, you have a control right here. You have left, right, and then you have a circular control with 4 arrows on it. So what you want to do, if you want to adjust your passenger side mirror, you push the R, and then you're able to go up, down, left, right. Let me show you how this works. There you go. If you can see it, up, there's down, in, out. All right, to do the driver's side, you want to put the L, left, and you do it the same way. That moves it. You can see left, right. And that's all there is to it. Well, I hope this helped you out. If it did, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Until next time, catch you later.